What's up, guys? Today we're doing another YouTube channel, and like you know, subscribe to
Zamira Johnson.
And Jonathan isn't here because we're at our cousin's house, so subscribe to Jonathan and Cheetah. And
we do an intro.
Today we are gonna do the see how much Nerf bullets you can stick to it in an amount of time.
Wait.
Hi, my name is Samari Johnson.
Want to say anything else for the people?
We're going to be the shooting challenge. So, let me tell you guys.
You're doing this for
boys.
you're doing this for 15 people. I have 15 subscribers.
If the boys win, then we gotta do what he say. But if the girls win, the boys have to do what we say.
And I'm the only boy. So, I'll do a practice run.
It's fun.
So today, I'm gonna be using this.
I just put it on there.
I asked. She said I can't.
Then wait until I get my phone off. See, Zamira's being a brat right now.
Brat.
Well, Zamira's being a little weirdo. Because she just stole this from me.
I didn't steal it.
Okay.
So, I guess I'll have to hold the camera.
What?
We're shooting up there.
Okay.
Look. You see it? It's right there.
Guys, drink some more juice so we can get some energy so we can work out.
And look. Oh, I didn't put the bullet in. Okay, I forgot to put the bullet in.
Okay, okay.
Today.
Okay, we're gonna restart. That was just practice.
Tamari Johnson.
You're not supposed to hold it like
on it. And today we're going to do a Nerf battle. Girl versus boy. The most to stick wins. I'll pick
yeah.
then-
What?
Right.
Oh.
And let me tell you something.
Yes.
Boys and girls. So if the girls win, boys have to do this. But if the girls win, yeah. If the girls so comment down below
For 1
and
minute.
press that subscribe button and give us 100,000 likes.
Okay, give us 1 million.
Oh
Oh yeah.
And we'll begin
What?
in 3.
What happened here? This is saying that you should
Are we going to begin?
like
Yeah.
and
Okay,
like our
we're doing
video
it, guys.
and make sure
First it's my turn.
make sure to click that button down below.
Is it, okay, where's my gun?
Over there.
Over there.
Oh, I stabbed!
1.
And there's a one.
Got 1.
That's Savon.
I will beat
Okay.
that.
A
2.
2.
No way, that fell. Doesn't count.
Doesn't count.
So still 1.
We got 1.
Oh!
No.
Still
This
1.
is my last shot.
Oh, this one is broken.
They still only got 1.
Guys, the streets of me what?
They still only got 1 bullet.
We're trying to get it up here.
Oh! Got one.
Okay.
Well, wait, we gotta finish. Can we just at least finish the video, Mama? Okay, 2. That's the record. 2 bullets.
Now it's Savon's turn. He gets 2 guns.
So,
I get 2 guns because it's 2 girls.
guys, so if you shoot 2, that means y'all win. So we win because
I just need to get 3 because you guys got 2.
go beat this. Cheater.
I'm not a cheater.
Oh. Well, if you get, so guys, if you get 2, that means you win. So I hope someone, did you say?
No, if I get 2, that it'll just make them. They'll win. But I need to get 3.
What we're gonna do?
So where should I put this?
I'm gonna let him.
Hey, can you record
Go.
it?
Sure. Okay, I'm
I'm
gonna.
shooting because it's just me.
Okay.
You need to go all the way up there.
Okay.
And then.
Hi guys, so we're gonna be
You need to go beside it and then record how much bullets I
He's
get.
gonna shoot right here. I'm gonna set this right here.
For you to see him.
Okay.
1 bullet.
1 bullet up, guys.
Go.
Sorry, guys, no bullets. See?
2.
Oh, that means. Are y'all leaving after this?
No. And oh.
We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
This is what?
If you don't get your 2 left, that means we win. Okay, Savon?
Yeah. 3.
I hope. So if you lose your last.
4.
Ah!
I'll win.
So we have to.
Look how much bullets I've got. Oh no, it went down.
Ah, you
3 bullets.
lost! Oh!
3 bullets. It went right at
Okay, so we
I win.
will.
No, I win.
No, yours falls down.
That's not fair.
Yes, it is.
No, you guys got 2 bullets stuck up there, and I only got 1. And I only got 3.
Well, we still win.
That's not. I'm not listening to you guys.
Okay, then we have to listen.
Yeah, because it's not fair. I got 3 bullets stuck up there, and she
Okay,
said that you guys
okay.
win. I know.
We're gonna listen to you. So what do you want?
First, I want Zamira.
Wait, let me switch the camera.
I want Zamira to go do the chicken dance.
Okay.
Oh,
Mari?
I
Mari.
Okay. One. This thing. He asked me to do the chicken dance.
And move. Do the chicken dance by mooing.
Moo, moo.
She doesn't know her animals.
Okay.
Mari.
my friend.
Oh my
Yes.
That is so
You do the chicken dance, but you gotta oink like a pig. You gotta do it. Do it.
I don't know how to do chicken dance. Oink, 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 oink. Ah.
Okay, Zamira. I want you to floss.
We have to go into the kitchen.
I want her. She has to floss. I'll hold the camera. He's gonna floss. She has to floss. Look, Zamira has to floss.
I gotta floss now because he told me to. We can only each have to do 3 things.
Zamira.
Mari, you gotta floss too.
No.
Yes, you gotta listen. You have to listen. You gotta floss.
No, I will.
We do the orange justice.
Okay, so we each take turns.
No,
Junior.
I won.
He's won 1, so
Yeah.
he has to do
You
Well, just come on.
no. Right after this, you have to, and then I only get 1 more thing to say to you. Wait, she has to do the flies.
Come on, quick. Quick.
She does not know how to play. She doesn't know how to play. Okay, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.